In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your day with Google Calendar for productivity. We'll turn your calendar into a simple, reliable system you can follow every day without overcomplicating anything. Start by opening Google Calendar. On the left, click the plus sign next to other calendars and choose Create New Calendar. You're going to set up separate calendars as categories for your life, like work, content creation, clients, personal growth, personal, and health. Give each one a distinct color so you can glance at your week and instantly understand what's happening. Pick colors that contrast well and keep them consistent over time. You can always toggle these calendars on and off to reduce visual noise when you want to focus. Next, fine-tune your default event settings. Open Settings, then Event Settings. Choose a default event duration. 30 or 60 minutes works for most people, and add 2 reminders, such as one 10 minutes before and another an hour before. Decide whether you want email notifications or device pop-ups. This small setup step prevents missed tasks and saves time when you're creating events throughout the week. Remember, you can still customize reminders for any single event. Now time block your day. Instead of keeping a loose to-do list, place tasks directly on your calendar as appointments. For example, block 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock a.m. for admin tasks, 9 to 11 a.m. for deep work, 1 o'clock to 2 p.m. for client calls, and 4 o'clock to 5 p.m. for content creation. Treat these blocks like commitments. If something changes, drag and resize the event rather than skipping it, so your plan remains realistic. For anything you do regularly, set it to repeat. Open the event and turn on repeat. Use this for weekly planning on Sunday evening, monthly budget reviews, recurring client check-ins, and your gym schedule. Recurring events automate your routines and reduce decision fatigue. Protect your attention with focus time and out of office. Focus time automatically limits meetings during those blocks, while out of office declines invites when you're unavailable. If you use tasks, integrate them so important to-dos appear on your calendar and don't get lost. Make sure everything syncs. Install the Google Calendar app on your phone, enable notifications, sync with Gmail, and connect your conferencing tools like Zoom or Meet. That way, meeting invites and links land on your calendar without extra work. Finally, use event descriptions wisely. Add the meeting agenda, quick notes, relevant links like Zoom or Google Docs, and a simple checklist. Keeping details inside the event means you show up prepared and avoid digging through emails. Follow these steps, and your calendar becomes a clear,